Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about more crypto updates, and this time Bitcoin. People don't really understand how fast Bitcoin changed and how fast it will change, and it's still a whoosh for a lot of people right now. So we're going to be talking today what exactly is going on with Bitcoin, how it's going to change, what's going to change, and if this is something you're interested in, smash that like button, because I think we're going to be seeing a massive rallies in the following few days. Especially with anyone remotely interested in crypto, there's going to be a ton of people flocking in. And I think this is where the big money will come in. So in that sense, I'll keep you guys more updated on that. But people don't understand, but Bitcoin just changed forever. It's about to make holders rich. And this was made by my financial friend.
That price will get hundreds of dollars.
So I didn't check that, what exactly this is. I think this is like an ROI competition he made. But he made a very fair point here. BlackRock meeting with SEC, I already covered that. The price is going up. Here's a point that he said that I found actually pretty exciting. So let's take a look at that.
Year. And part of that is because we're starting to get huge companies. We're going to get retirees. We're going to get pension plans. We're going to get all those.
So yeah, this is 30 trillion into market. Like this is what's saying Bitcoin predicted it could go to 1 million. So it doesn't mean it will go to 1 million when it gets listed. The price won't double overnight. It might be seeing, slowly the money coming in. I don't know if retirees are going to put their whole savings to crypto. But what happened to my retirement account? Yeah, sorry, sir. We put it all in Bitcoin. Yeah, it's going to rise up like 5,000%. Don't worry.
Those people into Bitcoin, and they're going to hold for a really long time. People that have even a longer time preference, like MicroStrategy, they're thinking 100 years in the future, are coming into the market as well. We know kingdoms, countries are getting in. Do you think the kingdom of Bhutan is mining Bitcoin so they can?
That would be absolutely insane. So they're saying this, the government is mining Bitcoin. I'm not sure if they're doing just on the side. Maybe they have like a small team, but it's been running a Bitcoin mining operation as mystery surrounds the scale of earlier cryptocurrency investment. Also their gambit, like right now they bought like crypto years ago, and now it seems to be paying off. Like now it seems like they're bullish again. And I think that's where the real excitement is in that sense. So I am excited to see crypto going up in a way. Like there definitely does seem that crypto will be rising. But what do you guys personally think about this? Do you think crypto will recover? Do you think it won't recover? I think like the government's now finally coming in. It's finally getting back to crypto, and they're going to be like going in big. So what you're going to be seeing is tons of these companies deciding, okay, now is the time to go big. Now is the time to get in. And I think this is where like all these countries will say, maybe we missed out on crypto.
Like this?
Maybe we should start offering it, especially because there's going to be a big like community of people who like Bitcoin. And guess what? Like when they like Bitcoin, they're going to be looking to support that. They're going to be looking to actually help these people. And I think this is where like that big bull run will start. When people start to say and decide like what they want to do with their own crypto, they move countries like just so they can be in this Bitcoin community. When they start to form communities, I think this is where we're going to be seeing that massive rally overall. But don't quote me for it. You'll see for yourself. There is a ton of opportunity in this crypto space in the next following days.
Time horizons. We have retirees that are going to be getting in, pensions that are going to be buying in that don't care. They're just going to put it in a portfolio, not look at it for the next 20, 30, 50 years.
I guess like a lot of people will hold crypto. I think there's also going to be less volatility now that the ETFs are coming in. And guys, what a ride it has been. Like there's been tons of bad news. We survived both good and bad. And I think this is where crypto really got exciting in a sense. Like where people were waiting for this for such a long time. For such a long time, they were saying that crypto is going to be dropping to zero. It's not going to be surviving. And I think this is where really people are going to be bullish on it, like where we're going to be seeing these massive changes. But if that's something you're interested in, I do think there's going to be more like these institutions actually providing services. I don't think it's gonna be like completely taken over the market. I don't think there's gonna be like, we're at 2 trillion, 3 trillion market cap right now, so I don't think Bitcoin will 10x. No, I don't think that, because this means 30 trillion. If you have all the money coming from stocks, coming from real estate, coming into crypto, it's just not happening. It's a very small chance of that happening. I think that's the big problem. But there are chances. There are chances for like some sort of revival, some sort of potential that crypto will recover. And this is where like we make our stand. This is like what people have been waiting for in a sense. But that being said, this seems like we have more updates incoming, and that's what gets me excited. Like, this is what keeps people awake at night, that crypto is really gonna be one of those big institutions that people want to talk about, and one of these big centralized exchanges that are coming in. Like, so right now we're seeing like Binance coming in. Next up, it's gonna be probably BlackRock in this crypto space. That's gonna be pretty interesting in my aspect. But that being said,
people are going to want some allocation to crypto, especially when it's at all-time highs. They're going to be saying, hey, I want to buy. So what happens then eventually when we get to 150,000? Some people are going to sell, right? But then other people are going to come in. They're going to see Bitcoin at 100,000, 150,000. It's going to fall 10%, right? And they're going to say, I can't afford to be out of this any longer. This is a time to buy. And we're already seeing it now. Like, we saw a 10% dip. We were at 44,500, 45,000, something like that. We went down to 40,500. We had buyers come in. We had a very strong amount of buying. It's going to be the same thing when we move up. Now, of course, we might have a bigger swing than that. Maybe we go from 150 to 120, 110. But there are going to be buyers that continue to buy. There are going to be so many people that just hold, right, too, like the big institutions. They're going to say, they're
going to be saying, like, come buy our crypto. We have such a big supply, you won't miss out. And I think this is where the big problem comes in. Like, there's not going to be any Bitcoin left in that sense. And I definitely think there's tons of potential for the crypto markets to see like some sort of recovery, some sort of a massive bull run. But if there's something you wanted to be interested in, guys, smash that like button and I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, here we go. Like, the big institutions coming in, the government's coming in. It could pump in billions, trillions into NASDAQ, into crypto, not into NASDAQ. And that's where a lot of people are excited. Peace, everyone.